Hello everybody. Right now today we are here to discuss about the vehicle tracking system, and I would like to tell you what are the efforts we have taken to bring you the proper knowledge or proper information about the vehicle tracking system. Right now if you can see in the market you can get a lot of vehicle tracking system products where you might get confused which to buy the one and where you could get the proper solution. What I would like to introduce you with, this is the device that we provide. No external antenna, only wire that is connected to power and ignition. And now we'll, the other thing that is more important in the device, in our device, is that we do have an internal battery in the device which provides you a backup of near about 8 to 12 hours even if the main power supply is terminated. So now I will take you through the web application that we provide. So first of all, you have to type to go to our website, that is SVTrack.in. Enter, you get our website, that is SVTrack electronics and GPS system. There are various products that we provide. Vehicle tracking, that is basic device, a device with immobilizer, device with fuel sensor, device with spy call, device with panic button, fully featured, and there are many others. As we provide customized service to our customers, you can have better options with us. And if you go on the product page, here are the products that we provide: vehicle tracking system, speed governor, marketing solution, and other gadgets. We will go to read more page and about vehicle tracking system. So here is the device specification that you would like to know about, basically about the device, additional feature of the device, and here you can get to know about the product names and comparison. That means what are the features that you get in the device and what are the features that you don't get in some models. So here is the basic device where you get internal GPS and GSM antenna, real-time tracking, battery backup of 8 to 12 hours, built-in geofence management. This would be in the basic device, and in immobilizer you get additional feature of immobilizer. In panic button you get additional feature of panic button and you don't get the immobilizer. In fuel sensor you get a fuel sensor. In spy call you get a spy call, and fully featured device, all the above features are provided. So, and from here also you can click on the name of the device and you go to the same page where you want to see, or where you want to know the more features about this device. If you see the panic button and what are the things that we provide, this is fully featured. So we will directly jump to customer login here. This is the customer login. Here is the username that you have to insert, that we provide to you on the request of demo. You can request for a demo by clicking over here. You have to just fill in the form with your name, email ID, contact number, and what you would like to know about the basic device, vehicle tracking, or any other. So you can click on get demo, fill in your comments, and just submit. So here, put on the password and click enter. There are two vehicles we have provided in demo account, where you can see both the vehicles are in idle mode. So on the home page we provide statics. In statics, as you can see, the green light, it indicates whether the vehicle is running, yellow indicates idle, and red indicates not reporting. So here are the two vehicles, and total two vehicles, and both the vehicles are in idle position, as you can see the yellow light blinking over here. And the alerts, that is box open, wire cut, immobilized, harsh brake in the last week. So as you can see on the welcome screen or dashboard, you can select both the vehicles and look for the vehicles on the map. We'll zoom in a bit. As you can see, there are two vehicles, but they are different position or different location. The first is located here, and if I click on the other one, you can get the description of the other vehicle. We'll go back to home page here again. So on this page, other thing, that if you have more than 5 vehicles or 10 vehicles and you want to look at all the vehicles at the same time, you can select how many vehicles that you want to see on this page. Now we jump to ignition. Here is a link where you can click to know the ignition report, that is ignition on off report for the day. So this is the ignition on off report for the vehicle demo speed and for the day, from the time for the day until time. And here you can get the vehicle number, status of the vehicle, date, time, location of the vehicle, description whether the vehicle is in running or the vehicle is in stop mode indication. You can get speed, current speed of the vehicle, AC report, GPS status, odometer reading, and this is the live track. So as I told you, or we have discussed about the ignition on off report for the day, we can as well see the overspeed report for the day. So there is no record found for this. If you go for, there is also no record found. And if you click on the show on map link over here, you directly go to the live track. So the vehicle is located over here, and if you can see the pink circle over here, round circle, this is the geofence set for this vehicle. Now we are on the live track page. So if you can see on the live track page, we can see the list of vehicles first of all, and the status of the vehicle, ignition status of the vehicle, GPRS strength to the device, speed, that is the current speed you can see, AC, voltage of external battery, time and date when the data was received, odometer reading, and this would be the voltage of internal battery. You can see the same vehicle on, if you want to see it on full screen map, you can click over here. If you wish to see a satellite view, you can click over here. So now we jump to reports. So when you click on the report link, you directly jump to the run report, and here what you have to do is select the vehicle. This is the run report, and you can select the date, you select the time, and this is the from date, and you have to select to date and time, and you have to click on show button and scroll a bit. As you can see here, the vehicle running was of 109.04 kilometers in between these days, that is from 1st of September to 4th of September, and in between time of 4:50 a.m. to 2:10 a.m. The average speed was 19 kilometers per hour. Total runtime was for 1 day, 6 hours, 24 minutes and 19 seconds. And here you can get the start location, stop location, start time, stop time, distance in kilometers, duration required, and here again you can click on the map to get the location on the map at the time. If you click on view all journey at a glance, you get to know the journey from where the vehicle went, and that is totally on the map. You can get a visual view how your vehicle went and using which route. So now, as if you can see all the records over here, you can export those records to Excel. As you can see, the record has been downloaded to the Excel file. We'll get into the folder, see, yes, and here are the records, the same records that we were looking on the website. So now we'll go to the next record, or next report. Here's the time interval. So this is the time interval of the records that you would like to wish to see, with a particular time interval that would be of 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours. Instead of looking at the record of every minute, if you wish to see where your vehicle was after every 1 hour within those days, you have to select the vehicle, select the date again, don't forget to select the time, your required time, and the time interval for reports I would select for 1 hour. You can click on the show and time interval is 1 hour. Total kilometer in between those days, that is 1st of September to 2nd of September, was 55 kilometers, 55.53 kilometers. And here's the report. Initially the vehicle was idle, and running, then running, then idle, then running. And if you can see, here is the time, that is 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. That means you get the record with the time interval of every 1 hour. You can also export this file to Excel or PDF as well. Now, apart from that, you can get the reports for idle, that we call idle reports. You can select the vehicle, you can select the time, date, and from date to date, and don't forget to select the time again. Click on show. Here is the idle report, where your vehicle was stopped or idle on this location from date to date 9 hours 45 minutes, then for 0 minutes on this location for 2 minutes, on this location for 0 minutes, again on this location for near about 5 minutes, and so on. And still you can export the reports in Excel file to maintain the reports. Speed violation report. Here we will select a vehicle, and we'll select the date, and from date to date, please don't forget to select your required time. Click on the show, and this is the speed violation. As you can see, the report is for speed violation. In between these dates, that is 15th of August till 1st of September, which are the locations where in between that running or that location our vehicle has crossed the speed limit. So as you can see here, the total distance where the vehicle was running on maximum speed was near about 89 km per hour. Total runtime was 2 hours 27 minutes and 57 seconds. Average max speed was of 81 km per hour. So in between these locations, that is from start location to stop location, this means in between these locations the vehicle has crossed the speed limit that was set by us. And one more thing I wish to tell you, that you can set the speed for your own vehicle just through an SMS. So you have to click on the map, and here you get the location of the vehicle or the track, where that is from A position to B position where your vehicle has crossed the speed limit. That was the National Highway 65, where the vehicle has crossed the speed limit, and that for distance of 0.62 km, and the time duration required was 27 seconds. We'll go back again and we'll look for some better record, that was for 21 minutes. As you can see, the vehicle was running for 21 minutes, that was 31 kilometers, and the vehicle was still on National Highway 65, that's 13 kilometers on date, and this is the time where the vehicle has crossed the speed limit. We'll go back again, and you can export this file as well to Excel. And if you can see here, the speed violation report that I have selected from 15th of August to 1st of September, the report is presented to me in 6 pages. Huge report. So in the same way, you can know about the other records, like ignition on-off report. You have to select the vehicle, select the date, and for box open, for wire cut, for geofence, immobilized, AC report, trip report, driver behavior, and summary report. There is something I would like to tell you that is very interesting. That is driver behavior report. When we come to driver behavior report, we have to select the vehicle, and suppose the date, and don't forget to select the time. Click on show. If you can see, the total distance traveled by this driver or this vehicle was 198.56 km. So there was no high acceleration, and the driver behavior was excellent. And if I go for the date of 15 August till 1st of September and just show. This driver behavior report is built up using the standards, international standards of driving. As now we have seen the speed violation for demo car, you can see now in between these days, that is 15th of August to 1st of September, the behavior of the driver was poor. Total excess speed run time was near about 2 hours 27 minutes and 57 seconds that we have seen in the speed violation report. So as you can see, you can have proper precautions by getting this report about your driver and vehicle. So apart from that, you can set the geofence for your vehicle, select the vehicle, fence name. I will put my office and longitude and latitude. I will go into the map. I'll zoom in again. I will zoom in again and again till I get a desired location for it of my office. Okay, suppose my office is located somewhere here, and I click on the place. Okay, I directly get the center latitude and longitude for that location. Okay, so what is it? What would be the radius of the geofence that I would like to set? Suppose we'll keep 50 meters. And what are the alerts when I wish to get whether if the vehicle is in or out or both? I'll put both. And how many times the geofence has to be there? I for 10 times. It will calculate or count on the 10 time or 10 time when the vehicle was in and out. And what are the alerts I would like to get by? That would be by SMS, email, or SMS. Rather, I will select the email. I will put my email address over here, mobile number, and add fence, and you will see the fence over here. So whenever your vehicle gets crossed the fence, that is, gets in the fence or gets out of the fence that you have set, you will get the alert. Now this is the admin page, as you can see. Here you can set a trip management report or stage master. You can say, you can suppose people is Saudagar, and I get in there and I select the location and I select it as a stage. So you can set out many stages: stage name, stage number, longitude, latitude, location, and radius. So these stages help you to get this report, that is trip report. As you can see, in trip report we have to select the vehicle, select the route, okay, that you insert over here in admin page, and insert the stages from date to date, from stage to stage, and get the trip, and you will get the records for it definitely. So there are many other things apart from this, or the facilities or the features that are really best when compared with the other devices in the market, where you are investing a lot of money, a lot of time, and I think you deserve more better than that. And we do provide customized report according to the requirements of our customers. So please don't forget to get in contact with us. You have to just put your name, email, contact number, and whichever product you wish to know about. Select the product, type in your query or comment, and just click on submit. That's it. Thanks a lot for your valuable time, and it was great presenting you a demo about our product and our services that we provide you. Thanks a lot.